Have you ever found yourself wanting to make a delicious and refreshing and easy drink for the family all at the same time, but didn't quite know how to go about it? I find myself in that position quite often. That's why I host this channel, so you and I can create great tasting things together. Hi, I'm Pappy, and in my kitchen creations I make spoons with tunes. Today we're going to look to Spain to create a delicious tasting sangria. But this one is very different from what you might expect in the Spanish recipe because it's non-alcoholic. This non-alcoholic sangria recipe uses 100% juice and fresh fruit to create a delicious yet healthy drink for us adults as well as all the kids. And it's so easy to make. I just love easy, don't you? Let's get started making our delicious sangria. Here's the recipe to make Pappy's easy and delicious sangria. Check the comments below for the link to download it now. Oh, and while you're there, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. You don't want to miss any more of these delicious recipes, believe you me. Here's the list of ingredients we will use today. And yes, I have my coffee. Who knows, one day I might fill that up. The sangria is a very popular drink in Spain, and from what I read, it probably originated in the 18th century. The recipe varies wildly, but the base ingredient is usually red wine with the addition of various fruits that complement the wine. The drink is served cold, right out of the refrigerator. I found a great recipe that doesn't use wine, and some people say it might even taste better than the authentic sangria. I tend to agree with them. We're going to make the drink today as a non-alcoholic drink. It's absolutely refreshing, I'll guarantee it. The drink will be the hit of your family on a hot afternoon or at your party when you make it for your guests. As a young boy growing up in Central Florida, I was blessed to have fresh fruit around me most of the time. There was always a fruit tree in the neighborhood, and the grown-ups shared the fruit with us kids. Grandpa had several fruit trees in his backyard too, but were mostly orange and grapefruit trees. He had some huge grapefruit trees that we were always getting into trouble for climbing. I love the oranges, but the grapefruit, not so much. I guess I never developed a taste for grapefruit. And liver. But hey, let's stick to the subject and get into the instructions on making a non-alcoholic sangria that's going to absolutely surprise and delight your family and friends. Now let's gather all the ingredients on the list and put them in one place. We've got the ingredients. Now we need to collect the tools we will use to build the sangria. Have you ever tasted pomegranate juice? I've got to say it has a very interesting taste. You'll just have to try it for yourself. The fruit preparation is very easy. There's just two things we have to do. First, wash and cut the nectarine in thin to medium slices. You can slice the nectarine to whatever thickness you like, or you can cut the slices into small chunks. I suggest not peeling the nectarine because that's where the vitamins, fiber, and antioxidants reside. All these things are good for you. The goal in cutting the nectarine is to have fruit in every glass you pour, so you want at least 6 slices of the nectarine. I'm going to cut mine up into small chunks because I think it looks more festive in the glass that way. Second, measure out 1 full cup of your blueberries. If you're a person that likes a sweeter drink, just add a little sugar to the blueberries before you put them in the pitcher. Wash them and you're all done with the fruit preparation. How easy was that? Combine the sparkling juice or sparkling cider, whichever you have, pomegranate juice, the nectarine, and the blueberries in a large pitcher. Don't add the seltzer water to the mixture just yet. Place the pitcher in the refrigerator until it's cold, or about 4 hours. Put the seltzer in the refrigerator beside the pitcher to cool along with the sangria. Set an alarm for 4 hours and go about your day. After your 4-hour wait, and just before serving, we're going to stir in the seltzer water.
Your 4-hour sangria alarm is all set. I wish I were human. It sounds wonderful.
While we're waiting for the drink to chill, here's a song titled Come Back to Sorrento to get us in the sangria mood. It's an Italian song written almost 120 years ago. After your 4-hour wait and just before serving, we're going to stir in the seltzer water. I've already measured out 1.5 cups of the seltzer water. Let's pour it in. And now for the grand finale. Go gather up the family and serve the drink to them in a glass over a small amount of ice. Here's a great tip from my daughter. Put the glass in the freezer to chill it before pouring the sangria. When you pour, make sure you have fruit in every glass. The fruit is great to eat too, so don't throw it away. Okay, that was fun. And the results are mighty tasty. I'm going outside to enjoy my freshly made non-alcoholic sangria. Oh, bye for now. I can't wait for the next episode of Pappy's Kitchen Creations so we can cook up something special together. See you then.